Alright, so I'm going to be trying to install the One UI beta here on my S20, or sorry, my Fold 5. So I was having issues. I was not getting it to come up in Samsung members. I did just put a SIM card in it and restart it. So hopefully that fixes that, but I'm not seeing the banner come up, so I'm not too sure. Not too sure what's going on there, because it should be right up here on the top. And I'm not getting anything, so not too sure why. I just updated the app, so it should be up to date. Let me just check again to make sure I didn't have anything missing. Yeah, it's not showing up in Samsung members, so I'm not too sure why that is, because it's unlocked Fold 5, so not sure what is going on. Let me change the settings on my camera real quick because it keeps going to sleep. Hopefully that fixes that. Let me ask somebody real quick and see if they know. Because I'm not seeing the download banner in Samsung members, and I've restarted. I put a SIM in and everything like that, so that can't be the problem. If anybody knows why it would not be showing up in Samsung members, let me know. Let me know if there's anything I should try. Yeah, if I search it, I only get it for, I'm only seeing the one for the S23 Ultra. So let me just see if I can figure out what's going on. I didn't get it. I'm trying to find it now. They said it was out, and I'm not seeing it. But it supposedly came out. Supposedly came out this morning, but it's not showing up for me. So I'm trying to figure out where it is. So maybe it did not, I don't know. Some people are saying they have it, some people are saying they don't. Alright, so I'm clearing everything for Samsung members. We'll try it again. Oop, there we go. Okay, so I cleared the cache. I force stopped and cleared the cache for Samsung members. And it popped up. So if you're not getting it to show up in Samsung members, go into the settings for Samsung members, go ahead and hit force stop down here on the bottom, and then go to storage and clear your cache and clear your data, and then reopen the app, and it should hopefully pop up then. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna go down to updates, and we're gonna see, sometimes it takes like up to 10 minutes it says, but we're gonna see if it has the update yet, which it does. Oh nope, sorry, that's 5.1.1. So we're gonna have to update to this and then redo it again, and hopefully that will, next update should be One UI 6, but this is the October security patch right now. So if you're not seeing it, like I said, in Samsung members, clear your, force close the app and clear your cache and data, and then reopen the app, and it should be on the last little banner on the top, 9 out of 9. So again, this is the 5.1.1 update that was before it. So I just had to update to that real quick, and then hopefully once it's done rebooting, it will have the next update. I didn't realize that the October patch had just rolled out, because I just updated the September one a couple days ago. All right. Alright, here we go. Are booted back up. Alright, so now we're going to go back into settings here and go down to the bottom and check for an update again. Alright, there we go. So this one is One UI 6 and it is 2.7 gigabytes about. So we're going to let that download. So like I said before, if you're not seeing this in Samsung members, make sure you clear your cache, clear your data for the app, and then restart the app, and it should pop up on the last slide. It's going to take a minute for this one to install, so just sit back and chillax. Alright. Done downloading. I kind of want to use my Fold, but with One UI 6, but I'm on my iPhone and it's hard to switch back and forth because the iPhone doesn't have a SIM card. I'm excited to see the quick panel and how it works on the larger screen. Everybody was all freaking out about like landscape and stuff like that on the S23 Ultra with that. So we'll see how that looks on here. Almost there. It's probably going to take a minute to optimize the app since we're going from Android 13 to 14 when it's done. And we got to do we got to clear the cache. I'll show you guys that trick on how to kind of smooth things out after an update. Didn't take too long to download, but I do have a 2 gigabit internet, so the downloads are always pretty quick. Hello, Rodriguez. How's it going? For some reason, though, it didn't want to pop up in Samsung members. So, like I said, if you guys are having the issue where you're not seeing it in Samsung members to register for the beta, make sure you click on, make sure you open up the app settings and clear the cache and the excuse me, clear the cache and the data for the app, and then fully restart the app. And hopefully that should pop it up for you. That's what fixed it for me. It should be on the 9th banner on the top. So just scroll through until you get to 9 out of 9. And you should see when to register for the beta. And then once you do that, you just check for an update. Give it a couple minutes and check for an update, and you should get the 6.0 update. So it just finished installing. Like I said, it's probably got to optimize the apps. We're going to do a cache clear. It should clear the cache on its own during the install, but I always do it after as well. After the phone boots up, I turn it off and clear the cache. So it always seems to make things run a little bit smoother. Yep, there's the optimizing the apps. It's actually going quicker than I thought since we're going to a whole new version of Android. But I'm super glad that this is finally out for the Fold 5. I've been waiting on this since my S23 Ultra. So we're going to go ahead and, like I said, we're going to go ahead and unlock the phone. And you'll see here it's kind of, get the little screen there for that. You can see it's kind of loading things in kind of slow. Let me see if oh no, it does work, I think. Yep, my animation from Good Luck is still working, so that's pretty cool. You can see when I fold the phone, it animates. But what we're going to do is we're going to pull down here, and we're going to power off the phone. All right, and we're just going to give it a second to fully power off. All right, vibrated, it's off. So then we're going to hit power and volume down. Actually, it might be power and volume up. We're going to find out in a second though. All right, once it turns on, just let go of the power button, but keep holding on the volume. Yeah, I think I messed that up. I'm pretty sure it's volume up. Yeah, it's volume up. Oops, so that booted it into safe mode. Oopsies. Alright, so we're going to do that again. We're going to power it off. Alright, it's off. So then we hit volume up, power. Once it turns on, just let go of that. Keep holding on the volume button though. Alright, there you go. You can see we're in the menu here now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to wipe cache partition, and you just use your volume down to scroll down till you highlight wipe cache partition. Then you're going to hit the power button for enter. Scroll down to yes, power button for enter, and then you can see cache wipe complete down here on the bottom. And then we're just going to hit enter on reboot system now, and then your phone is going to restart. Alright, and then you can see once we restart here, it's going to be a little bit smoother. So just watch this. Phone is starting. You can see how much faster it loads into the home screen. The animation just takes a second because that is from another app, so that's not really part of the One UI 6 experience. But here you go, you can see the new control center here. So it looks basically the same as it does on like the S23 Ultra or any other phone with One UI 6, but it's just blown up and larger. Got your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles on the top there. I don't think. Did Wi-Fi not turn? Okay, Wi-Fi didn't turn on for some reason. It was on airplane mode for whatever reason. I'm not too sure why. That might have been because I booted it into safe mode on accident. I don't know if that put it in airplane mode or something, but you can see we've got to enable the settings for the instant access. So we got to turn that on right there, and then now you can see if I swipe down from the top right there, we get the instant access to all the controls, stuff like that. And then if I pull down over here, we get the quick toggles and the notification panel right there. So that's, that looks like it's pretty much it. And in terms of that, everything else is the same. If we close it here, go ahead and unlock it on the front screen. There we go. Go ahead and unlock it on the front screen. Same thing. Quick toggles up top. Swipe down from the right to get your whole quick panel right there, which I like this larger area right there with all those toggles. And like I said before in my video with the S23 Ultra, you can customize this independently of what shows up here. So it used to be your top, like top 6 would be the ones that would show up here. Now you can customize these. You can customize the order of these, and you can customize the order of these, and it is all independent of each other. You do have to keep 6 up there though. You have to have at least 6. You can't get rid of them or anything like that. They all have to be up there. So that's how that works. That's One UI 6 in a nutshell on the on the Z Fold 5. I'm going to play around with it a little bit. We will be doing some more videos on it. There's not entirely too much to show that everybody hasn't seen before, because it's basically the same as it is on the S23 Ultra that I already showed, and there's really nothing specific to the Z Fold 5 that I know of yet. So maybe when it comes out there will be, but we'll play around with it for a little bit and see if I get anything new. I don't think we have any like wallpapers or anything crazy like that. If we go in here, yeah, it's just going to be your default Z Fold 5. I don't think there was anything, I don't remember anything on the S23 Ultra being different about that, other than like the battery menu. Like I said, it all carries over from the S23 Ultra and that kind of stuff in terms of what is new on here. So if you guys know of anything, let me know in the comments and we can take a look at it real quick. But like I said, I don't really know of anything entirely different on the Z Fold 5, and I've been using my iPhone 15 Pro Max here now for a while. So let me try something. I think I know why this looks weird. Because I'm using a new capture card. Where was it? I think we need to turn that off. I think that'll help with our contrast a little bit. Looks a little bit better, I think. Not as white. I think I'm using HDMI now with a cam link, so it's a little bit different than I was when I was using USB before. But yep, everything seems to be running pretty smooth. No issues. Let me check for. I'm just gonna update all my apps because it's been a little bit since I've used this phone. Because like I said, I've been on my iPhone, so I've got 24 updates there, and then go to the Galaxy Store. I just updated these before I restarted it, but we're just gonna check again just to make sure. Yeah, so you do get some app updates in here after updating your phone. Just make sure you get everything up to date. Alright, there we go. So all the apps are up to date, all done. So if I play around with this for a little bit, like I said, I am on my iPhone right now, and it's kind of a pain in the butt to switch back and forth just because the iPhone doesn't have a SIM card slot. So I am on eSIM, so it is a little bit of a process to switch over to this device and then switch back again. So I'm probably just gonna use this as like a secondary phone and keep my iPhone as the main right now. But we'll play around with it, see how I like it, and see if I go back to daily driving the Fold 5 or my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I am Colin with Techout. That was the live install of One UI 6 Beta 1. I don't really know what it's based off of because we were on Beta 6 for the S23 Ultra. So, whatever beta we're on for the Z Fold 5, I don't really know. I don't really know how many betas they're going to do for it before the public release, but we shall see. If there's any more updates to come, I will definitely be doing a video on that. And any other updates and stuff like that, I will of course update you guys in a video as well. I'm going to play around with it like I said, and then I'll do a kind of little video on it. But like I said, not too much has changed from the S23 Ultra and all the other devices that have gotten One UI 6. So One UI 6 on the Fold 5 is basically just a blown up version of it on any other phone. So not too much to say. So I'm Colin Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will be live on Whatnot later. We will have a giveaway on there, so make sure you check out the link down below in the description. If you sign up for Whatnot with my link, you get between $10 and $200 credit to spend on there. So very, very good deal. And you also automatically follow me, so you know when I go live, and you'll see some of the stuff I review up for sale on there. So like I said, comment, rate, subscribe.